This is our distribution center, located in North Hollywood, California, with an 80,000 square foot warehouse, which helps to serve clients from Los Angeles County, Ventura County, and cities in Central California. At CSS Distributions, we're more than just a factory direct cabinet and countertop distributor. We're a team of efficient, resourceful professionals dedicated to providing high-quality, ready-to-assemble cabinets, prefab quartz countertops, and sinks at exceptional price rates. Our mission is to streamline the supply process for contractors, designers, builders, and large-scale developers by offering a direct supply channel that ensures both affordability and quality. Whether it's RTA cabinets or prefab quartz countertops, we ensure value and convenience. Each product is designed with precision and a keen understanding of our clients' needs in mind, ensuring satisfaction and excellence. What sets CSS Distributions apart in the distribution industry is our capacity to handle large orders with a diverse and ample inventory, coupled with highly competitive pricing. With our direct supply model, we provide unique advantages to our B2B clients, including efficiency, vast selection, and affordability. Our commitment to quality and customer service has earned us a reputable standing in our market. Through our products and services, we've empowered businesses to achieve their project goals with ease and reliability. From transforming spaces with our top-notch countertops to providing durable and stylish cabinets for various projects, CSS Distribution's influence extends beyond just our immediate industry, touching lives and making a difference. Join us at CSS Distributions as we continue to shape the future of construction and design. Discover more about how we can elevate your next project together. Visit our website at www.cssdistributions.com to get started. CSS Distributions, building quality, crafting elegance.